Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing a crafty haul. I will post up above. I attended a craft yard sale a couple of weeks ago, and I reached out to the lady that was hosting the sale. She is someone that lives in my neighborhood, to see if I could stop by again because it had been a couple of weeks, and she said she was still pulling new items out. She said yes, and that this was going to be her last weekend because she was shutting it down for the summer. So she let me come over and pick through the boxes of goodies that she still had out. I had so much fun. I was there for a couple of hours chatting with her, looking through the stuff, and I was also shopping for someone else, which was so much fun. I'm not sure if she's going to post a video. If she does, that's amazing. I wanted to show what I ended up hauling. I think I spent $49. Picked up a lot of crafting dies. And let's dig in. This first one is a snowman, and she said that her mom got all of these from AliExpress. It has the embossing, it has the face. It's so cute. I can't wait for Christmas to come around so I can cut him out. Then we have this cute fox. I did try to find these on AliExpress, and if I was able to, I will go ahead and insert photos of what they look like. Here we have a Memory Dex purse. So it folds up. It has the zipper, which this comes out. The handle, it's so cute. This, we have the hot cocoa mug. It does say love. Then we have the marshmallow and some of the whipped cream and other accessories to go with it. These look maybe like some antlers. We have this cupcake gingerbread, this kitty cat bow. Here's the bow pieces, and then we have this kitty cat. This says Merry Christmas, and this is the moose, and he has little pieces to help layer him up. This gingerbread border, so cute. I can't even. We have this. I just cut it out. I wasn't sure what it was for, but this is what it creates. This says swap, but I think this is supposed to punch out and you would just use it as a die cut. But I'm thinking it just makes a pocket, but it's a little deeper than a flat pocket. I'll have to work on figuring out what exactly that creates, but I'm assuming you would just glue it to a project and then you would have a pocket in the back. And we have a plain Memory Dex card. We have a cute border, a gingerbread, a stocking, and Noel. And let me zoom out on this one. This is a large heart die. It's 7¼ inches. That's a big one. And I think these are bows. So you'd have to cut it twice and then clip and put the bows in. This is great for a scrapbook page, or you just cut it and use it as a layering piece. These are bag toppers, and I did have to Google to figure out how to use these. So what you have to do is you need another die. I used a Spellbinders die that was this shape. So I folded it in half so I knew where the middle part was. And then I lined up my half on these stitched edges and die cut it. And then this is what I was left with. So when you fold it in half, this is the handle. I don't know if this is something I would really use, because to me, I would have just folded this in half and this would have been my bag topper. And then I need another die to make them. So I'm not sure if this is something I'm going to keep or pass them along to someone else. And this is the layered book. And it also has the mini one and the clips. It's a nice size too. The biggest one is 6 inches. And we have this Christmas tree, and I have one that is similar, but it's a lot smaller. So I'm glad to be getting a little bit of a bigger one to add to my stash. Lots of holiday ones. Then there was this Memory Dex card, kind of random. It has some genie bottles in there. It does have a really nice stitched insert, and then these are little stars. So the Memory Dex card itself is super cute. And I guess if maybe you're doing a princess theme, these would come in handy. This cute snowman, and it has the middle so you can make him into a shaker. So fun. Cannot wait to play with that one. This is the bubblegum shaker, and I did make the project. Very easy to put together. Lots of cute little details that come with it. I did pick up another one of these quick cuts dies. This is the cherry one. It comes with the cherry, the stem, and the leaves. This does say it needs a die cutting tool, but it works fine in the machines. And I did cut it just to see the size, and here it is. It's super cute. Now I have a lot larger dies. This is a scene. Let me see. I think I cut that out. I don't know what happened to... Oh, here it is. It's on the back. Let me zoom out. This is what it cuts. And it does come with the mini trees to paper pierce in place. And I guess you would just do another background color on the back of this. Not really sure. It's just the base. It is a good size though. Let's see. It is about 5 1/4. Some of these out of the packaging because they had more than one part, but this is the square with the hearts, and I did purchase the house one and I love it. So when I saw this, I knew I wanted to add this to my collection. So it comes with the frame and then the inside with the hearts. It's very cute. And then we have this large memory decks card that folds in. It says, I think that says with hello, love, and smile. It has little perfume bottles. Again, kind of random little dies that these things come with. It's very cute. It actually looks like these are layering pieces, which is really nice. This rosette die, not tried this one yet. I will be. It's on my list of things to work on. Then this sleigh die. This large memory decks. And this is the one that folds up to make the pocket. And it looks like it has a layering piece. It also looks like it has a small bow, a little teacup, yes, another bow, and then sure what that is. Lots of great pieces on here, and it's stitched. This large teapot one, this is about 6.5 inches, and on this one she did put the photo of what it creates. So we have those in there. We have this really large bow die, and I did cut this one out. And oh my goodness, look at the size of this bow. I've never had a bow tie this big, and I had so much fun making it. It's huge. The tail is 5 1/2, and it's so chunky. It's about 1.25 inches. And I did kind of roll the papers first so that they would stay in place. And I think it came out so cute. This would look so nice on a package. So we have that big one. This is the bow bag topper. Here's the bag topper. Really nice size. And then you can make your double bow with the layers. And in here we have gingerbread man. All the pieces are apart, so I don't want to take it out of the bag. You can see their little gingy faces. So cute. This one is the carousel, and this makes the carousel box. We have a base and then all the pieces, and then we have the horses. That is it for the dies. So let's see what else I purchased. And before I do that, I have a little bit of a giveaway. This is the scallop oval die. If you are interested in a chance to win this die, you must be 18 years or older, be a subscriber of my channel. This is not sponsored, and you must be in the US. In the comments down below, please let me know which of the dies that I hauled was your favorite. She had some more flocking in different colors. This is the darker ones, and then it has the white. I didn't have these in my colors. Picked those up. This is the clear embossing powder. This is the ice, which has some of the sparkle in it. The clear gloss ultra high embossing powder. A nice big jar of that. And I picked up this package of different colored butterflies. And they are material, so you can use your stapler to adhere them onto projects. Some of the flower stems in silver. This is pins and tags. It's like a create your own. There's some bulb pins, some large pins, and then some flag material from 2012. And I picked up this. It says Christmas dangle charm, and all the pieces are in there. Oh, here's what it creates. And this baggie of goodies, we have some roses, some mini paper clips, and this package of bows. Nice, like big cloth ones. Did pick up a 12 by 12. This is the Pebbles Boo. I love Halloween paper. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do a quick flip through. This is a nice quality. The papers are so cute. I love them so much. Look at this tiny text paper. Oh, I love those too. That's awesome. Cut parts. And it repeats. Oh, little spiders. So I picked up 12 by 12 on that, and then she also had the die cuts that go with it. She has everything packaged so nicely, but these are the chips that go with it. So nice ephemera to match the paper pad. Last few things that I picked up, we have the Ghost Stories 6x6 paper pad and double-sided, which I love so much, and lots of spooky cuteness in this one. I don't have this one. I love that. Gorgeous. So we got that one. This collection, this is from Prima. It is really pretty. It's a soft vintage, even shabby chic. This paper is pretty good quality, nice and thick. And this one, this says Meadow Lark Collection. And paper quality is good. Really pretty paper here. And that is it. That is my amazing yard sale craft haul. I thank you guys so much for coming and visiting me in my craft room. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.